Dad got making some noodles and some udon noodles. This lady over here is eating raw noodles. We're out here at the lake. Look at this.
And cheese.
We got the catfish poles ready.
Cheese.
Mini pole right there. This lady over here.
Take her finish.
This man making noodles.
Here, let me show what I use. This girl over here is named Sophiana, and she's still fishing. And this dad over here is mine.
This dude.
Oh, wow,
Look at that. What is that?
oh my gosh.
What is that?
That's a grasshopper. Ah!
Where you put it? Put it in the water.
This, my dad is cooking noodle for me.
Nè, đẩy này lại nè.
Ooh. And his face, it looks like this.
Not moving too fast.
Use it, I don't know how.
You just put it on my leg. Boom. He is right. Why you put the connecting?
So it's easy to grab.
Daddy, why'd you connect it?
Because he wants us to eat more.
So mine I can eat. Got some flavors too.
Yeah, we put
Look at the meat. Look at the meat.
Here's
Daddy.
one, Mila. You want, oh, you might have one big noodle?
And
Mama,
take
those
this
right there.
And a big noodle and a small noodle?
Yeah. Wait, wait. That's enough.
Standing right in front of me. Look at that moon right there.
No. Daddy, can I eat one, please?